These are the elevators at Building 25 at Canal Pl, the old BF Goodrich factory in downtown Akron, Ohio. These have GAL Jet Plus VPMC on the outside, but on the inside, they are original square touch. Basement. These are very temperamental. Let's see if we can actually get it to go. Maybe the basement's locked. Maybe if you hit 5 it'll work. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, basement, it lights up, but it doesn't actually go down. I think that's locked, but it's just, yeah. Here, 5. Basement might just the GAL door operators. That's obviously not original. Will these go anywhere? On down. I don't know if it'll be the basement or one or a different floor. 988 rotary phone. Here's your cabinet. It's a basic old Otis elevator with tray lighting. It's nice. I think these are the only original elevators on property. Oh, we're going in the basement now. Okay. I think from what I saw on the records, everything else is modded. I think these are the modded too, but I guess they're not. Alright, going it up at 1. Yeah, I don't think the other car's running. These seem really temperamental. It's probably our next on the list to be modded. But the other mods were done like 15 years ago.